Hi, I'm Amazon Seller Central expert and welcome to the world of Amazon Seller Central. Do you know where you can get the best opportunity to showcase your product? Here it is. Amazon Seller Central comes with the opportunity to provide you with the best platform to showcase your products. Sign in to your Amazon Seller account and place your products in front of tens of millions of Amazon shoppers. In order to do so, you need to update your store account settings. Your store settings are where Amazon provides information to buyers about your company. This is the place where you can begin and develop a relationship with Amazon buyers and gain their trust. For this, you need to learn how to update the settings of the seller account on Amazon Seller Central. To update your store information, navigate to Settings and select your Info and Policies. There are 4 areas that every Amazon seller should update in the store settings. These are About the Seller, Seller Logo, Returns and Refunds, and Shipping Policy. The About the Seller section is where you can describe how long you have been in the business, how your business started, your company philosophy, whether or not you have a brick and mortar store, and if you have any employees. Everyone needs an unique identity to stand out in the group. Your logo does that for you. Remember, your logo will be on your At a Glance page, on your storefront, and on the offer listing page. Your logo must be 120 by 30 pixels in size. Amazon does not permit the use of a URL or .com contained within the image. In the Returns and Refunds section, you can let your customers know how they should return an item. Here, you can include the address for merchandise returns and the estimated time to process a refund. If you charge any kind of restocking fee, it is important to enter that information too here. Make sure you are very clear about the way the restocking fee is calculated. If you only reimburse shipping costs on the items that are damaged or defective, please include that information as well. The participation agreement and the Amazon policy require a minimum 30-day return period. Keep in mind that the return and refund policy is standard for all sellers and cannot be edited. The shipping policy section has one part to enter the information about when you ship your items and what carriers you use. This information should match the information you set up in Seller Central earlier. The second part of shipping policy is automatically populated based on your shipping settings. Congratulations! Now you know that to update the store setting, the Amazon seller needs to sign in to the Amazon seller account. There are 4 areas that every Amazon seller should update in the store settings. These are About the Seller, Seller Logo, Returns and Refunds, and Shipping Policy. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. Have a question or want to learn more about how Amazon can help you build your business? Simply contact seller support for any queries.